everyone say your name and how old you are.
Darin.
And how old are you? That's right. Okay, Yaya.
I'm Yaya, and I'm 5.
Marky,
Bye.
how old are you? Good job. And where are we?
In Cyprus.
Cyprus.
Grab your popcorn and passwords, and here we go!
This was definitely more of a relaxing trip where we would stay in the villa for most of the time, going into the pool. We did get out to 2 major attractions. One of them was renting a motorboat off of the Latchi beach. So what we did was we just had to show a driver's license and we received a motorboat. We were given pretty much a rundown of the do's and don'ts of driving a boat, but you don't have to have a boat license, which was really cool. Were you scared before? A little bit? Yeah?
I hope
Now you're really
when you
brave.
take that jump, you don't fear the fall. I hope when the water rises, you build a wall. I hope when the crowd screams out, screaming your name. I hope if everybody runs, you choose to stay.
I hope that you'll fall in love and it hurts so bad. The only way you can know is give it all you have. And I hope that you don't suffer, but take the pain.
I hope when the moment comes, you'll say,
I did it all. I did it all. I owned every second that this world could give. I saw so many places, the things that I did. Yeah, with every broken bone, I swear I lived.
Another main attraction was the Aphrodite water park. Now, us in the Med Veg, we joked around saying how we would definitely come back to Cyprus for like a weekend, but I would come back to Cyprus for a day trip just to go to this water park. It was so fun, it was so perfect for our kids. I know that our kids will grow into it also because it had so many amazing water slides for various ages. So as the kids grow up, it's still going to be perfect for them. Our youngest was Mark. He's 1 year old now, and he was able to splash around in the kiddie pool and have fun with the girls there as well because they also loved it. It was perfect for their ages. There were water slides too for the girls' ages, and I started off going with Bella because she was a little timid, a little nervous about going by herself, and by the end of the day, she was going up and down that slide like it was no one's business. She was on it, and she loved it. And go!
Splish splash, I was taking a bath, long about a Saturday night. Yeah, rubbed up, just relaxing in the tub, thinking everything was alright. Well, I stepped out the tub and put my feet on the floor. I wrapped the towel around me and I opened the door. And in a splish splash, I jumped back in the bath. Well, how was I to know there was a party going on? There was a splishing and a splash, reeling with the feeling, moving and a grooving, rocking and a rolling. Yeah, yeah. Bing bang, I saw the whole gang dancing on my living room rug. Yeah, flip flop, they was doing the bop. All the teens had the dancing bug. There was Lollipop with a Peggy Sue. But the golly Miss Molly was even there too. Well, splish splash, I forgot about the bath. I went and put my dancing shoes on. Yeah, I was a rolling and a strolling, feeling with the feel, moving and a grooving, splishing and a splashing. Yeah.
Pretty much a chunk of our time was just swimming in the pool. We had it heated which was great for the kids because they were able to stay there for like hours on end, and they just had fun. And the girls, our girls, Yaya and Bella, they switched. I don't know what it was exactly, but there was something that switched inside of them that turned them into swimmers. Up until now, we would take floaties with us and they would swim with floaties on, or even a tube, but after this trip, that's it. There's no more floaty, there's nothing, there's no more tubes. Yeah, say hi to everyone. Say hi. What was your favorite part of Cyprus? Yeah? Mine too. Give everyone updates on you and what you've been up to. So Marky now has 6 teeth, 2 on the bottom, and 4 big ones on top. They're in there. It was a bit painful to get to this point, but yeah, but you made it.
Thanks for tuning in. See you next week. Peace.